I thinned out a grove of silver poplar on my place a couple of years ago and put away several nice pieces to dry. Today I placed a nice 7-inch piece between centers and orientated it to turn a live edge bowl. I'll be sanding from 80 up to 400 for a super smooth finish. Now I'll add a heavy coat of sanding sealer and let it dry for a couple hours. After allowing the sanding sealer sufficient time to dry, we sand again from 320 to 400 grit and we're ready for finishing. I decided to apply several coats of feed and wax and then buff out for that natural clean finish. And now for some serious buffing with a powered cloth buffer. Now that the finishing is done, I'll prepare the tenon for mounting in the chuck and prepare to hollow the bowl. Here I'll use a 3-inch Forstner bit to rough out the center of the bowl. Here I use a round carbide tool to finish out the interior and do some light sanding. I know this is a no-no, but I'm careful. Since this has turned out to be a bird's mouth bowl, I decided to apply red RIT dye to the interior of the bird's mouth. Now it's time for a very delicate cut loose. I like to place a light underneath so I can see the size of the diminishing cut. Even with the light, sometimes I miss the catch. Now here it sits on the shelf of shame with the other smaller bird's mouth bowls. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe while you're here.